quick one. I want us to talk about palm oil. Palm oil that we use to cook, and we have it.
Palm oil is now the new gold in Africa. Due to the high increase in fuel, a lot of people are now converting their petrol aging into palm oil aging. With just 5 liters, it can take you from Nigeria to Jerusalem. The best thing about this is that it is low emission.
Using palm oil can also work. I want you to watch this video, go through it. The experimental investigation of the usage of palm oil as alternative.
Palm oil is known as an excellent raw material due to its numerous uses in various industries. There is no doubt that this is the new gold. I hope this will not escalate the price of palm oil in the market. Guys, drop your opinion in the comment section. Enjoy the video. I have seen a lot of positive reviews from people that the palm oil was better than the regular aging oil. If you are watching and you are thinking to try this out, I recommend you try it with your old diesel car. That the car works really fine. As you can see in the video, the people, they are happy doing it. I think I will give it a try. What about you? Please let us know in the comment section if you have seen anyone that have used this, or if this is already existing in your country.